Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is formation of a trisaccharide involves release of dash water molecule A1, B2, C2, and D3. So the correct option is C. True. The next MCQ is how many carbon atoms are present inside the ring of fructose? A 6, B 5, C 4, and D 3. So the correct option is C 4. The next MCQ is which of the following polysaccharide is present in human muscle abundantly? A myoglobin, B actin and myosin, C collagen, and D glycogen. So the correct option is D glycogen. The next MCQ is pick out the odd one. A cellulose, B agar, C galactose, and D pectin. So the correct option is C cellulose. The next MCQ is which of the following carbons are present outside the ring of fructose? A one carbon and two carbon and second carbon. B only one first carbon. C first carbon and fifth carbon, and D first carbon and sixth carbon. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following sugar is the sweetest? A glucose, B fructose, C sucrose, and D maltose. So the correct option is B fructose. The next MCQ is in a disaccharide, if carbon atom are 12, then how many OH group will be present? A 11, B 10, C 8, and D 12. So the correct option is C 8. The next MCQ is which of the following is non-reducing disaccharide sugar? A mannose, B sucrose, C maltose, and D lactose. So the correct option is B sucrose. The next MCQ is which of the following sugar is mainly present in human blood? A glucose, B sucrose, C fructose, and D mannose. So the correct option is A glucose. The next MCQ is the simplest monosaccharide contain keto group is A glyceryl aldehyde, and B glucose, C and dihydro dihydro dihydroacetone, and B ribose. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the compound which anhydrolyzes yield polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketones of unit are A lipids, B polynucleotides, C proteins, and D carbohydrates. So the correct option is D carbohydrates. The next MCQ is which of the following type of carbohydrates are high molecular weight and is sparingly soluble in water? A monosaccharide, B oligosaccharide, C disaccharide, and D polysaccharide. So the correct option is D polysaccharide. The next MCQ is glycosidic bond is formed by the A removal of water, B removal of oxygen, C addition of oxygen, and D addition of water. So the correct option is A removal of water. The next MCQ is starch is present in tuber, fruit, and grains but absent in animal cell. Instead, animals have a substance stored in liver and muscles known as A glucose, B galactose, C glycogen, and D glucagon. So the correct option is C glycogen. The next MCQ is the covalent bond are bridge between two monosaccharide to form a disaccharide is called a carboxyl group. Bond, B hydrogen bond, C hydroxyl bond, and D glycosidic bond. So the correct option is D glycosidic bond. The next MCQ is which is an example of a disaccharide? A lactose, B starch, C glycogen, and D fructose. So the correct option is A lactose. The next MCQ is dash is stored in animal cell. A starch, B cellulose, C sucrose, and D glycogen. So the correct option is D glycogen. The next MCQ is the bond that is found between two monosaccharide unit is called A. Ionic bond, B. Hydrogen bond, C. Peptide bond, and D. Glycosidic bond. So the correct option is glycosidic bond. The next MCQ is pure form of cellulose is A. Cotton, B. Chitin, C. Cellophane, and D. Paper. So the correct option is A. Cotton. The next MCQ is the best example of polysaccharide which is stored in animal is called A. Lactose, B. Cellulose, C. Sucrose, and D. Glycogen. So the correct option is D. Glycogen. The next MCQ is C5H10O4 is the formula of A. Deoxyribulose sugar, B. RNA, C. DNA, and D. ATP. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is dash is the storage form of carbohydrates in animal and human which is equivalent to the dash and plants. A. Glycogen cellulose, B. Starch glycogen, and D. Starch cellulose, and D. Glycogen starch. So the correct option is D. Glycogen starch. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.